Welcome to day 24 of Daily AI Wizard, My Incredible Wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to make bank with AI in finance? Today we're diving into AI's money-making magic, transforming trading and wealth. This journey will captivate you. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master financial AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI in finance. It's about outsmarting markets, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock wealth secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI in finance powers trading and fraud detection, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo predicting stock prices. It's going to be game-changing. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI in finance is a goldmine, and I'm stoked to code a stock prediction demo with Sophia. Let's make money magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's wealth power.
I'm Olivia, your new finance AI guru. I'll break down how AI transforms money on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you. Let's make financial magic. This is your wealth journey.
Let's recap Day 23's medical magic. We explored how AI transforms healthcare using Scikit-learn to predict diagnoses with 85% accuracy. We built a demo and learned applications like imaging. It was life-saving wizardry. I'm so excited for finance AI today. Let's dive into wealth tech. This is our next big spell.
The diagnosis demo was incredible, Anastasia. Seeing AI save lives was so inspiring. I'm thrilled to explore AI's financial powers now. This is a new wealth adventure. Let's keep the AI fire burning.
Today, we're diving into AI in finance, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in trading and fraud detection, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo predicting stock prices. This journey will ignite your wealth-building passion. Let's master financial magic. Get ready for AI's money power. Isabella, why is finance AI exciting?
It grows wealth, Anastasia. AI in finance outsmarts markets, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine money. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, your finance AI expert. AI in finance enhances processes, powering trading and risk management with predictive models to improve wealth outcomes. It's transformative money magic. From algorithmic trading to fraud prevention, AI reshapes finance. I'm thrilled to break it down. Let's uncover its money-making secrets. This is your financial AI journey. Get ready to profit with AI.
Why use AI in finance? It delivers faster, accurate predictions, optimizes investment strategies, detects fraud instantly, and enhances efficiency. It's revolutionizing wealth. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI builds fortunes. Isabella, why fraud detection?
It's critical, Anastasia. AI catching fraud saves money, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is finance with security.
AI in algorithmic trading is game-changing. It automates decisions, analyzes market patterns like in high-frequency trading, and maximizes profits. It's a financial superpower. I'm excited to break it down. This is wealth-building AI in action. Let's trade with precision. Isabella, why algorithmic trading?
It's fast, Anastasia. AI trades smarter than humans, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a market wizard. This boosts profits.
AI in fraud detection saves billions. It identifies suspicious transactions using anomaly detection, like catching credit card fraud, protecting assets. This is secure financial magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's stop fraud. This safeguards wealth. Isabella, why fraud detection?
It's protective, Anastasia. AI guards our money and I'm excited to learn. It's like a financial shield. This ensures safety.
AI in risk management is crucial. It assesses financial risks, predicts market volatility like loan default prediction, and minimizes losses. This is strategic AI magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's manage risks. This protects investments. Isabella, why risk management?
It's smart, Anastasia. AI keeps investments safe and I'm thrilled. It's like a financial radar. This secures wealth.
AI in credit scoring is a game changer. It evaluates borrower reliability using diverse data, like alternative credit models, improving lending decisions. This is equitable financial magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's score credit. This empowers lending. Isabella, why credit scoring?
It's fair, Anastasia. AI makes lending inclusive and I'm excited. It's like a trust gauge. This transforms finance.
AI in financial forecasting is powerful. It predicts market trends using time series models like stock price prediction, enhancing investment planning. This is predictive AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's forecast wealth. This guides investments. Isabella, why forecasting?
It's visionary, Anastasia. AI predicts markets accurately and I'm thrilled. It's like a crystal ball. This grows wealth.
Finance AI faces ethical challenges. Bias in models, data privacy concerns, and discriminatory lending require ethical oversight. This ensures fair AI in finance. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's address these issues. This protects wealth equitably. Isabella, why bias concerns?
They're unfair, Anastasia. Biased AI harms borrowers and I'm excited for solutions. It's like ensuring justice. This makes AI ethical.
Data privacy is finance AI's shield. It protects customer information with encryption and anonymization, like GDPR compliance, building trust. This is ethical financial magic. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's safeguard data. This respects clients. Isabella, why data privacy?
It's vital, Anastasia. Safe data builds confidence and I'm thrilled. It's like a digital vault. This ensures trust in AI.
Bias in finance AI is serious. It causes unequal outcomes like loan approval bias, requiring diverse datasets and ethical mitigation. This ensures fair AI wealth. I'm so ready to solve it. Let's tackle bias. This promotes equity. Isabella, why bias risks?
They exclude people, Anastasia. Biased AI harms fairness, and I'm excited to fix it. It's like leveling the field. This makes AI just.
Regulations govern finance AI. They ensure fairness and transparency, like SEC oversight, building regulatory trust. This keeps AI financial magic safe. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's regulate AI wisely. This protects markets. Isabella, why regulations?
They ensure trust, Anastasia. Regulations keep AI fair, and I'm excited. It's like a market rulebook. This builds confidence.
AI in wealth management transforms investing. It personalizes plans with robo-advisors, like portfolio optimization, enhancing client returns. This is tailored financial magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's manage wealth. This grows fortunes. Isabella, why wealth management?
It's personal, Anastasia. AI crafts perfect portfolios, and I'm thrilled. It's like a wealth coach. This maximizes returns.
AI in insurance is smart. It enhances risk assessment, automates claims processing, like fraud detection, and improves efficiency. This is operational AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's streamline insurance. This saves costs. Isabella, why insurance AI?
It's efficient, Anastasia. AI speeds up claims and I'm excited. It's like an insurance wizard. This protects clients.
AI finance applications are real. AI-powered trading bots, fraud prevention systems, and personalized banking apps transform wealth. These are game-changing solutions. I'm so inspired by this. Let's explore real AI. This reshapes finance. Isabella, which application stands out?
Trading bots, Anastasia. AI beating markets is amazing and I'm thrilled. It's like a profit machine. This is so impactful.
Finance AI faces challenges, data quality issues, high computational costs, regulatory complexities, and market trust are obstacles. We'll tackle these for better AI wealth. I'm thrilled to solve them. Let's overcome these hurdles. This advances finance. Isabella, why data quality?
It's foundational, Anastasia. Poor data ruins AI, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like cleaning gold. This boosts AI accuracy.
Hi, wizards, it's Sophia. Let's prep for our AI finance demo. Install Python and Scikit-learn with pip install Scikit-learn. Grab the finance_data.csv dataset, linked below, for stock price prediction. I'm so excited to predict markets. This is going to be epic. Let's start the wealth magic. Ethan, what's next?
Hey, I'm Ethan. Launch Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Notebook to set up our coding environment. We'll predict stock prices with a machine learning model. Let's make money magic. I'm thrilled to get started. Let's code some finance. This is our wealth canvas.
It's demo time. Sophia and Ethan will lead a Python demo using Scikit-learn to predict stock prices. Get ready for wealth-building magic. I'm so excited to see it. This will transform your view of AI. Let's watch Sophia and Ethan shine. This is finance's big moment.
Hey, I'm Ethan, breaking down our finance demo code. We load finance_data.csv, use Scikit-learn's gradient boosting regressor to train a model, predict stock prices, and visualize accuracy. This code powers our wealth magic. I'm thrilled to share its details. Let's see it in action. This is AI at its profitable best. Let's predict markets.
It's Sophia here. Ethan's code sets up our stock prediction perfectly with Scikit-learn. I'm so excited to run it. This is where wealth magic begins. Let's grow fortunes with AI. This is our financial lens. Hi, I'm Sophia. We're using Scikit-learn to predict stock prices. I train the model and visualize, look at that accuracy. This is wealth magic. I'm thrilled to show it. Let's predict markets. This is finance's future.
And I'm Ethan. We load finance_data.csv, train a gradient-boosting regressor for 5 iterations, and hit 0.05 MSE in predictions. The plot shows our model's strength. I'm so thrilled to see it work. Let's advance finance. This is AI in action. Let's keep coding.
Wow, Sophia and Ethan, that was magical. They loaded stock market data, trained a gradient-boosting model with Scikit-learn, predicted prices with 0.05 MSE, and visualized performance. This shows AI's financial power. I'm so impressed. Let's break it down. This is AI building wealth. Isabella, what stood out?
The MSE plot was incredible, Anastasia. It showed AI's market power, and I'm thrilled by the results. This is financial AI magic. This transforms wealth.
Here's tips for finance AI. Use high-quality data, validate with market experts, ensure ethical compliance, and test for real-world impact. These tips make you a finance AI wizard. I'm so excited for you. Let's master these tricks. This is your wealth spellbook. Isabella, any tips to add?
Monitor markets, Anastasia. Real-time data keeps AI sharp, and I love this approach. It's like a market pulse. This boosts AI wealth.
Let's recap day 24. AI transforms finance with trading and fraud detection, using Scikit-learn to predict stock prices with 0.05 MSE. We built a demo for wealth building. Your task? Predict a stock price with AI and share results in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is your financial victory.
What a journey, Anastasia. From trading to predictions, we've unlocked wealth magic. I'm thrilled for everyone's progress. Let's keep building financial spells, try the task, and shine.
That's a wrap for Day 24, Amazing Wizards. I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined me for AI and Finance. It's been a wealth-building journey. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Day 25 explores AI in autonomous vehicles, with Sophia and Ethan revealing futuristic AI tricks. I'm thrilled for what's next. Let's keep the AI fire burning. This is just the start.
Hey, I'm Sophia. This finance demo with Ethan was pure magic, predicting stock prices to grow wealth. You're all wizards for mastering AI in finance, and I'm so proud of you. Day 25 dives into AI in autonomous vehicles, where Ethan and I will unleash game-changing driving sorcery. Can you guess how AI will steer the future? Visit DailyAIWizard.com, keep predicting, and share your stock price results in the comments. I'm so excited for your journey. Let's make more AI magic. See you tomorrow.
Isabella here. AI in finance is so thrilling, revolutionizing wealth with every prediction, and I'm blown away by what we've learned. Day 24 was just the start, and Day 25's AI in autonomous vehicles will take us deeper into futuristic spells with Sophia and Ethan leading the way. What new AI secrets will we uncover? Stick with Daily AI Wizard to find out. Keep coding, stay curious, and let's make more AI magic together. I can't wait for our next adventure. Let's level up your AI skills.
Ethan here. Loved coding this finance demo. Scikit-learn rocks. Day 25 will amplify the magic with AI in autonomous vehicles. See you soon. Keep exploring AI. Let's dive deeper.
Olivia here. AI in finance was a blast, and I'm thrilled to have joined you. Day 25's autonomous vehicles will drive us into the future. Keep mastering AI with Daily AI Wizard. Let's make more money magic.